how to change your address in TD Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your address in TD Bank Online Banking. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for the TD Bank. And now here from the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the TD Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just click on the login button at the top right corner and simply select online banking from the drop down menu. And once you do that, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, you simply have to enter your user ID and password, and after that, once logged in on the main dashboard, you can simply navigate to the customer service or the settings. And here, once you're inside the customer service, you can simply find the settings or profile and preferences section depending on your dashboard layout. And now here on this section, you can simply look for the option labeled change address or update contact information. And there you can simply click on it to edit your details. Now, on the new page, you simply have to type in your new mailing address and double check for accuracy. And once you're done with that, you can simply click submit or confirm to save your changes. And that's it. That's how you can change your address in the TD Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.